When it comes to delivering the perfect truck mattress for the hardworking trucker, Kogler mattresses have all the answers. Kogler mattresses offer the perfect sleeping surface for professional truck drivers, designed to help you sleep perfectly and feel rested when you wake up. Thanks to our 3-zone design for optimal pressure redistribution and all-day comfort, all of Kogler's mattresses are designed with the driver's comfort in mind. The 3 anatomically calibrated levels of support for immersion and envelopment of the body allows the mattress to conform to your body, reduce fatigue, and promote comfortable sleep. Sleeping in a confined space like the back of a truck exposes truck drivers to heat, but with Kogler's proprietary air channel technology, truckers can enjoy 360 ventilation and heat regulation for more comfortable sleeps. Kogler's clinically designed therapeutic mattresses are built to exceed the most rigorous requirements. The unique cut patterns helps to cradle key pressure points all over the body, therefore making the mattress perfect for the back sleeper, side sleeper, and stomach sleeper. The temperature-neutral foam technology also helps maintain comfort in different climates, so you can enhance your recovery and sleep better on the road anywhere, anytime. Additionally, the unique cut patterns also helps in cradling bony prominences and contouring your body for pain-free sleep. With our mattresses, you'll get the same level of comfort and pressure distribution regardless of your body weight or type. Kogler mattress covers are breathable, removable, and washable, so you have nothing to worry about.